What's up, guys? Welcome to another week and happy new month too. It's December, it's the last month of the year, and wow, just like that, 2024 is almost done. So it's also the first week of the month. I know how that goes. We have NFP on Friday. I think that's the only serious thing. So for me, I will trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, likely. Today's Tuesday, and I will avoid Thursday depending, and then we have Friday NFP. I will not trade till after the news. So I already have something interesting on the chart, so I will show you guys that, and I will also um go over how the last trade of last week went. I took a trade on CAD CHF, so I'll go over how that went, and I'll show you the trade I took this morning. So catch you guys on the chart. Yeah, so here we are. So CAD CHF, where is it? Yeah, took a trade and went in profit for a while, but then came and stopped me out on Monday. So it's just one of those things. And yeah, it also said, oh, I could have, because I actually did not cash this trade on time. My entry was kind of late. I just made sure my stop was good, and I thought, okay, since I was using this context, that price would at least maybe go to take, but it failed to take the low. If I got my entry closer to the fair value gap around here, my stop loss was here, I could have gotten in and out. So a lot of could haves and should haves, but yeah, it didn't happen, and that's that for the trade. Already 1 hour down just because of that. So yeah, today took a buy on NZD USD because bearish on dollar. It already started storming down this morning. I just waited for the fair value gap to form, and I eventually took this one because I felt it had the least resistance, because I wanted to take a GBP USD, but it was also at a weekly bearish fair value gap, so I wasn't so sure about that one. Yeah, this one doesn't have a weekly bearish fair value gap to deal with, so I took it there. And yeah, Eurocard I also marked that, but I didn't get any 1 hour entries. USD card, yeah, also saw something in Asia, but I didn't intend on trading Asia, so something from here, but I have already chosen this one to be my pair. So yeah, not much to be said. I will let you guys know how it goes, and yeah, TP or stop loss. We hope for the TP though. Let's see how it goes. Checking on you guys later. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today is Thursday, and yeah, I'm here with my cup of coffee. I hate so I don't know how you guys like your coffee, but my coffee black like a real man, So we took a trade on NZD USD on Tuesday, and we got stopped out. Price had other plans. I think we're in the seek and destroy as of this time, because things weren't just following through. It didn't follow through this one, it didn't follow through this one, it didn't follow through the fair value gap. So that's that. Then yesterday being Wednesday, we had a trade on Euro GPY. It sold in London close, and it went in profit today, but this is where we are. Then I'm just watching to see how this plays out. Then GBP USD today, we could have gotten a trade from here, okay, not Asia, from here, but price didn't come back to the fair value gap. It just zoomed off. Probably would have gotten close to TP already, because I would have entered from the creation of the fair value gap here, and yeah, would have come close. But that's that. I got in with this 1 hour fair value gap, so I'm just watching it. It's coming down now. But yeah, we potentially have this for Fair Value Gap forming, but well, let's just see how it goes. I saw the setup and I've taken it, so probably might come and touch this breaker and have some rejection, but we're watching either way. So that's it. Yeah, today is Thursday, and so far we have lost the CHF trade from last week on Monday. We didn't take any other trade. Then NZD USD on Tuesday. Wednesday's trade is still running, and we have this set up today. So let's see how it goes. I will get back to you guys when this is all over. Have a nice one. What's up, guys? We've come to the end of another week, and I'll go over the trades of Wednesday and the trade of Thursday. So Wednesday took a loss. We saw price go up to past 1:1. Then we didn't respect this fair value gap. You can see here, and price just went up and went to stop loss. On GBP USD on Thursday rather, we took a trade here, buy trade, and we saw this hit TP. Finally, guys, the losing streak has come to a slowdown. So it's been crazy, and it happens. There were better trades I could have taken. Like I was eyeing Eurocard, you can see from here to here. But this, why I didn't take this is that it was just tricky. Price didn't want to create fair value gaps for entries. As you can see, it just kept going until Thursday. That's when I saw this, after I had already taken the GBP USD trade. And even Friday, I already had a trade on GU, so I didn't want to take any other trades or expose myself to further risk till that one panned out. And just look at this. Like I've had this on my interest list for a while, so it happens. And JPY pairs have been funny because I don't know, when I was bearish here, the GU were bullish. So I don't know, I think there's a mild correlation between the two. And I thought that if USD JPY also was bearish, because it's bullish, it's bearish, so it's like 50-50. So yeah, I think that explains why. This was kind of in a range, so one of them couldn't really move differently from the other. If this was trending in either direction, then EU and Euro JPY would have moved differently. So that's that. So for today's trades, we took 4 trades, 3 of which hit stop loss, and 1 hit TP, which was the last trade for the week. We took on Thursday. We hit TP on Friday. NFP took it to TP, then came crashing down. I'm glad I wasn't part of that. So -1 hour if we're going by the books. But man, the swap and commissions, especially the swap on Euro JPY, because this trade went on for, like, it rolled over to the next day. The swap was huge, so my loss is now, like, my balance rather for the week is now like -1.4 hour. So otherwise it's 3 wins, 3 losses, 1 win, 1:2. So -1 hour left, you get. So well, I've come to the end of another week, and I've journaled, I've taken some notes. Yeah, it's been a crazy 2 weeks, but yeah, if you're sticking around, you know that not every week is like this. But these are the testing weeks, the weeks that test you, and you have to maintain control and don't lose your shit. Like, I would say I fairly did well. Yes, I lost, but in terms of keeping things in check, I did well. So I will still give myself a pat on the back. As for the account is minus, yeah, minus 1 hour, just under minus 1 hour, minus 1.1%, rather. Let me use percent. So we're still good. We're still good. It's not the end of the world. And yeah, we'll just be careful and keep doing more of the good and less of the bad from here onwards. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you guys next week. And after next week, we'll have the Christmas holidays. So, well, let's see how next week goes. Let's see how next week goes. Um, let me know in the comments. I didn't follow through with the weekly forecast stuff because I didn't really get much feedback and I had busy schedule, so I didn't really put out. But let me know in the comments. It's not to it's not like to be a signal kind of thing. It's just me sharing my opinions, and then you may have your own opinions, and we'll just grow together and look at the market. So check out the Telegram link below, and yeah, I left a poll there, so you let me know if I can drop the video and you can watch anytime you want, or to do a stream. So yeah, thanks for coming around, guys. Catch you in the next week.